Today I want to give you an update on the Guinea Hen weed. It's a follow-up on a video that I did before. And the Guinea Hen weed grows wild in Jamaica and other South American countries. That's the capsule there that you can also purchase if you wish. But the Guinea Hen weed, the bush, is used to make a tea. So back in May of 2016, my PSA test was 5.25, which is abnormal. During that time, I suffered a prostate enlargement. And as you can see, the range, standard range, is supposed to be below 3.5. A continuous eye reading of your PSA test could also indicate cancer. So with the doctor having no medications to give me, it basically told me, just take whatever you take. So I started taking the Guinea Hen tea. I would boil the Guinea Hen and drink it as a tea. And after about 6 months, my PSA fell to 1.8. So after taking the Guinea Hen tea for about 6 months, my PSA level fell to 1.8, which is below the standard range of 3.5. My biopsy also indicated that I was cancer-free. Here I'm boiling a pot of Guinea Hen tea.